Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels stuck on 0 views. So, for views, you have to use hashtags on your Reels. So, in the caption, you have to use 5 to 6 or 10 many hashtags. So, you can see this is my player, then I have to just go for click one here and again use a hashtag again which is cleared or something like that. You have to just uh, use hashtags more and more here, then your reels get views to more people from more people. uh, After that you can go through here advanced settings and you have to upload a highest quality video, and then people likes your video more, then you can get more and more views. After all these things, if you're not getting views, just shake your phone on this page and go for report a problem, include and continue. Then you can explain your problem here to Instagram authority. After that, go for send with your screenshot here. You can see. Then it Instagram reply you within 24 and or 48 hours. And this is how you can fix your uh, get view on 0 like that. I hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.